We saw a pike spooking that first spot I went to. So I know there's pike in here. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. What was I just saying? Oh, and it's a good sized fish. Oh, it's a really nice fish. Oh no, he's gone around the big tree stump. He's just got me caught up on the tree stump. He's a good sized pike. Sort of small shad. He's got me wrapped around the tree stump. Oh, yes, I got him out, I got him out. My net's behind me in the trees. I didn't think I'd be needing it. Just a single up there on a shad. And that looks like a double figure pike. Please don't come off, he's just barely hooked in the lip. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. On this new pond. Oh, almost took me hand then. What a pike! What a pike! Look at the size of that!